This is WLKY Morning News.
5:41 this Friday morning, and we are talking impact weather from heavy rain to high wind and even a severe weather threat, and even that adverse weather prompting school closures, closing and crawling at the bottom of your screen. Now, let's talk a little bit, though, about how adverse weather works across our region. We know the big storm system's looming out to our west. I'm pretty confident we're going to see some high wind gusts across the area, but when we talk about flooding and severe weather, that is typically a more isolated event. So a flood watch is in effect, and what that means is from the Western Kentucky and Bluegrass Parkway northward through the metro and into southern Indiana, we've already seen and will continue to see the potential for heavy rainfall, between 1 and even 3 inches of rain. In fact, we're starting to get to about 3/4 of an inch in the metro, and there's more developing off to the south and west. See the heavier band of rain in on the radar up through southern Indiana. So we're going to have some soakers through the course of the day, and at the very least, some of those more favored locations in your region that typically get a little bit of water on them will likely have that through the course of the morning rush. And we'll also watch creeks, streams, and rivers. Even as we dry out into the weekend, those could rise as we see runoff. So we'll watch for flooding. That's why there's a flood watch in effect. It's a chilly rain, too, with temperatures primarily in the lower and middle 40s, 46 right now in the metro. A hint of milder air showing itself in Campbellsville at 50 degrees. A warm front's down towards this Kentucky-Tennessee border. As that lifts north, temperatures will go from these chilly 40s to milder 60s as we head into the afternoon. We're also dealing with a lot of wind today, and from the metro off to the south and east, there is a high wind warning. This is most likely where we will see gusts over 55 miles per hour. Wind advisories to the north and west, so still gust 45 to 55, a good likelihood across the area. So again, wind, I think, is our biggest threat through the course of the day, with some gusts that'll be strong enough to knock down some trees and knock out power from time to time. The rain is coming with this warm front. It'll lift north. We start to warm. We start to increase humidity as well ahead of a cold front, and that will bring our best opportunity for the strong to severe storms as we head midday and into the afternoon. Notice the orange zone that encompasses a good chunk of the WLKY region. That's the enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. Our main time frame is from 12 o'clock until 5 o'clock this afternoon for, again, damaging wind gusts, but also some twisting and turning in the atmosphere. Isolated tornadoes are a possibility. But again, a severe weather threat across the area doesn't mean everyone will see those strong storms, but I do think we will have at least a few across the area through the day. So we watch for soaking rain, high wind, and strong storms through this Friday with highs near 66 degrees. We'll calm the weather down tonight. It'll still be a bit breezy, but the strongest gusts come down. We're a chillier 37 for overnight lows. We go 59 and sunshine tomorrow, 65 Sunday, back to the 70s Monday. Next front comes through, but it's weaker. Just a few showers at night. We'll be in the cooler 50s Tuesday and Wednesday, and some chilly rain by Thursday in the 40s. That's the latest on the forecast.